She's happy. She's not sad, she's fine. She's not tired, she's strong. She's not weak. She's young. She's old, she's right. She's wrong, she's sure. She's free. Is she happy? Yes, she is. Is she sad? No, she's not. Maybe she's shy, she's sweet, and she's there for you. He's happy. He's not sad, he's fine. He's not tired, he's strong. He's not weak. He's young, he's old. He's right, he's wrong. He's sure, he's free. Is he happy? Yes, he is. Is he sad? No, he's not. Maybe he's shy, but he's sweet, and he's there for you. They're happy, they're not sad. They're fine, they're not tired. They're strong, they're not weak. They're young, they're old. They're right, they're wrong. They're sure, they're free. Are they happy? Yes, they are. Are they sad? No, they're not. Maybe they're shy, but they're lovely, and they're there for you. And me too, I'm with you. We are together.